Hi guys, it's me Kate, and today I want to talk about how a photographer can make money from home during quarantine. Interesting? Then let's get started. My first and most important advice will be not to panic. Maintain a calm mind and think critically. Any difficult situation only temper our spirit and willpower, and very often in such life situations a large number of bold ideas are born, for which perhaps you would not have found time in ordinary life. For example, I finally decided to launch my YouTube channel. Hooray! One of the best recommendations on how to spend this time with benefit, I think, will be an advice to continue to develop in photography. While you are in quarantine, it's worthwhile to devote time to useful things. Listen to an online webinar or take an online course to prepare yourself for the moment when the pandemic is over and customers will start looking for a photographer again. My plan B was primarily about photo banks. I'm sure you have a lot of material, photos or videos that can be downloaded for sale on stock websites. In addition to ready-made footage, you can take a photo or a video even while sitting at home. Engage your family, but do not forget that if a person in a frame is recognizable, you will need to sign a model release. Learn the rules and trends and go! I'll tell you more about how to get started on stock websites in one of my next videos. You can also offer to your customers to print them photo albums from their shooting, if you, of course, have not offered them this before. Write them a message saying that quarantine is a great time to finally make them a photo album, because these are precious memories for whole life. It can be not only some recent photo shoot, but also, for example, some older one. If you remember the dates of the celebrations, you can mark the print of such a photo album on the anniversary, for example. Support your text with beautiful photographs of finished books. I'm sure that some of your clients will be happy to find time for doing this. The third option is to look for a part-time job on sites for freelancers. On the internet there are a huge number of offers for photographers and retouchers where your knowledge and skills can come in handy. This can be either processing photos and retouching them, or viewing and selecting large volumes of captured photos. If you are already an experienced photographer and feel confident in your business, you can sell your training programs to others. Write a program, record a course on video, think over the details, what would you like to tell other photographers, what could you share with them, and go ahead, promote your online course on social networks. Or maybe you want to sell sets of your beautiful presses. Only you can decide. I hope my video was useful to you. Bye bye!